Alrighty, here at 2572 Palmdale with Avalon Building Concepts investigating storm damage. Randy Christensen, certified master elite roofing contractor with Avalon Building Concepts. Let's just dive right on in. You got tree down over there. You've got damaged gutters, approximate 20-foot run, corner piece. There you got shingle damage as well as damaged starter along this whole seam. In addition to that, you have additional wind damage up and over top of this gable end here. You've got several scattered wind damage throughout the entire roof here. One down here, it looks like there was a tree there or something at one point in time. You've got several broken seals on this entire side. You can tell the wind did peel it up, and now it's kind of stuck back down again, but it was lifted up. Tire back side, same exact thing. Broken shingles all down the rear side. I'm sure that the starter here is going through the same exact thing, because you can tell that all this at one point in time was peeled up completely. Yeah, it's sort of rusting, but I mean, you can tell that it was trying to glue back down. So I mean, it is loose and it is broken sealed shingles. Backside, you've got a little more of the same, not quite as bad as the other side, but several broken, wind torn shingles. A little bit of hip and ridge. There's some shingles tucked down there too, so I don't know where the heck those things came from, but 3 out of 4 sides.